Good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make animated pictures in Canva. Once you're on your Canva design, for example, let's say an Instagram post like this, all you need to do is add your picture. So you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on uploads and you could upload your picture from your device. I'll be showing you two different ways you can set up an animated picture. The first option I'll be using is a picture like this. For a picture like this, you can see that it would look better if we were to make it take up the entire page, as it already has its own background. So I'll tap on the three dots, then I'm going to tap on set image as background. After you have set the image as background, you're going to select the entire page. Then you're going to tap on animate from the top navigation bar. After you have tapped on animate, if it is a large picture like this, I would recommend that you select photo movement from the left hand menu option. And from here, you can see the different options right here and the different way you can get it to look or animate. And I'm going to be selecting photo zoom. After you have selected photo zoom, you can choose whether you like it to animate on exit, on entry, or both. After you have done that, you can also increase or decrease the length of the animation by tapping right where you see 5 seconds on my screen right here. You can decrease it or you can increase it right there by pulling along the slider. So that is how you would animate a photo similar to this that already has its own background. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to animate a different type of photo. So for example, let's say I were to add my own background. So I would go over to elements. After going over to elements, I'm going to be adding this living room background. Then I'm going to tap on the three dots that says more, and I'm going to set this image as my background. After I've done that, I'm going to remove the current animation, so I don't want any animation at all. So you can see right there. Now I'm going to be adding a photo that I'm going to be animating. So I'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and I'm going to select this image of this cute baby right here. And I'm going to be adding the baby creeping right here. Then I'm going to be animating the baby. So you'll select the photo that you like to animate. Then you're going to tap on animate from the top navigation bar. Then you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can select the different animation options as you can see right there. So you can select any one of these options as you can see right there. Or if you don't see an animation that you like, you can create your own animation by tapping on create an animation from the top left hand corner. Then for example, let's say I would like the baby to creep right across the screen. I can do that by simply pulling along right there. And you can see it right there. Then I could steady this up by tapping on movement style. So I could select smooth. Then I can increase or decrease the speed of the animation. So you can see it right there. Then once you're finished, you'll tap on done. Now if I were to tap on play in the top right hand corner, you can see how it looks right there. So that is how to animate a picture on Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe